How to enable Mobile Hotspot in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to share your internet connection with other devices wirelessly. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Network and Internet in the left sidebar. After that, click on Mobile Hotspot on the right side of the screen. At this point, toggle it on at the top to enable your hotspot straight away. From here, use the Share My Internet Connection From dropdown to choose which connection you want to share. This is usually your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on how your PC is connected. Following this, you can also choose whether to share it over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth by using the Share Over dropdown just below that. After that, to change your hotspot name and password, click the Edit button under the Network Properties section. From there, type in a new network name and network password of your choice and click Save to confirm. At this point, other devices can now find your hotspot in their Wi-Fi settings using that name and password to connect. From here, if you want to save battery or turn off the hotspot automatically when no devices are connected, toggle on Power Saving under the same Mobile Hotspot page. Finally, to quickly turn your hotspot on or off without going into settings every time, swipe down from the notification area at the bottom right of your taskbar and click the Mobile Hotspot Quick Toggle from there. That's how you enable Mobile Hotspot in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.